Hi, I'm Amber.
Hi, I'm AJ, and welcome to Mountain Traditions Homestead. Hey everybody, it's Mountain Tradition Homestead. We promised Jacob that the first watermelon to come out of the garden that we'd wait and let him eat it with us, so we're going to bring y'all along with the taste test. This is a Crimson Sweet variety we got from Baker Creek. I would highly recommend using Baker Creek. They sell all sorts of seeds, mostly heirloom seeds. They do have a few of the what do they call them?
I don't think they have any of the hybrids.
Okay.
I might be wrong, but I don't think they have any of the hybrids.
But you can get a lot of stuff from them, some very oddball stuff and some good stuff. But we thought we'd bring you along for this. It smells wonderful. It is full of seeds because it's not genetically modified in any way, shape, or form. So,
which is a good thing because we plan to save the seeds.
Yes.
Well, I guess I'm not eating the seeds. Just
ready?
let this part out.
Ready?
Oh, God, yeah.
It's very juicy and very sweet. We could have left it a little longer, but it's delicious.
Well, when we picked it, there's a little tendril that grows on the opposite side, and it had shriveled up and turned brown, and that's supposedly how you can tell. I did notice that this one, to pick a good watermelon, you want to look for one that has a good yellow spot on it. And this one was a little brown from laying on the ground, the mud, but I didn't have a yellow spot. But in any case, it's delicious. It's plenty ripe enough. Very sweet.
I just picked out 10 seeds from one bite. Nice. What seeds do y'all say? The white or
Good boy.
Black ones. In any case, this is a great tasting watermelon. We've got a ton of them out in the garden. And there was 3 plants that ended up doing really well, and we've got a ton of watermelons out there. So this one was 15 pounds, I believe. Yeah, sure was.
Oh!
But we highly recommend it, and thank you guys for watching.
See you later.